Okay, skincare or crypto? How well do you know your crypto?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Well, let's see. How well do you know your skincare?
No idea.
Plasma.
I heard my girlfriend think about it. Maybe
I
crypto?
Think no, I think it's skincare.
Let's go for skincare.
Let's go for skincare.
Skincare.
Wrong.
Ah,
That's a new crypto on eToro as of today.
good to know.
Nice to know.
Tatcha.
Gotcha.
Sounds like touch. Maybe it's skincare. Skincare.
You're right.
Yeah. Told ya.
Mental.
Mental.
I think. I want to believe it's crypto as well.
Crypto. Definitely.
Correct.
Yeah.
Bioma.
Skincare. 100%.
Yeah.
No, I'm not
100%?
sure. I'm not sure.
Maybe it's too obvious.
But let's do crypto.
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 Wrong.
Yeah.
Next time.
Asta.
Asta. I would say crypto.
I would say skincare.
Skincare?
Skincare.
Skincare.
Wrong.
Oh, come on!
Alpha H.
Alpha H. I think it's crypto. Crypto. So hard.
Drunk elephant.
Drunk elephant.
If it was skincare, drunk elephants, it's too
Yeah, it
complicated.
doesn't sound that good, yeah.
I will do crypto.
Crypto?
Crypto.
Crypto.
Wrong.
Good to know.
Okay, next.
Canton. Definitely crypto, I think.
Definitely,
Definitely, I think it's crypto.
it has to be crypto.
Correct.
Yeah!
Point.
New cryptos dropping in eToro today.
Go check them out.